Quanzhou Yanton Electronics Company Limited, established in 2009, which is a professional two-way radio manufacturer. Most of the models meet RoHS CE FCC approved, offering OEM ODM service. Yanton strictly follows ISO9001 quality management system. Monthly capacity, 30,000 pieces. Yanton has our own standard production workshop laboratory. More than 70 skilled workers, 5,000 square meter non-dust workshop, 3 product lines, 4-person R&D team, and 5 experienced QC staffs. Yanton offers DMR radio, public network radio, and PMR radio, which are suitable for the public security, transportation, railway, manufacturing, construction, service, and other industries to help our customers improve communication efficiency. Yanton, your communication specialist. Thank you for watching.